Off to another car show. This one's about 40 minutes away. Look at this. Who's driving, me or you? So just so you know, this is what fall in New England looks like. These are starting to turn colors. These are the back roads of, I think I'm in Seymour. Not really sure. This is really cool as far as fall colors go. You guys share it with you. Of course, this is the problem with car shows in the fall. Look at all those leaves. They're in the cab, Florida cab, they're in the engine bay. I'm just trying to clean them all out as fast as they're falling. Good morning and welcome back again. Saturday morning, October 26th. Getting ready to, 25th, head out to another car show. But look at this. These are the trophies I won last week. Same video, I'm going to put it all together. But the one on the left is from the Lions Club show, which is a very competitive show. I didn't expect to win anything there. It's just a fun show. And I got that award, and that one there's from the Special Olympics at the Fireman's Field, which was a trick or trunk, which you saw. So I did pretty good. But now today, there's another trick or trunk close by, and my truck won't start. So I keep my battery on the maintainer when I'm not using it. Somebody, my friend Frank told me to do that. Right now it's at 70 because I was cranking the heck out of it. But it usually says full. And Frank's the one who told me, you know, half choke, one pump, and it should start right up. And it's not starting today. And I don't know what to do. Maybe I'm going to throw some starter fluid in it. Maybe I'm just not going to go to the show. But I'm going to go give it one more try and see what happens. And I'm noticing, holy cow, look how dirty that truck is. See my fingerprints on the hood there? I really should wipe this thing down. It's time for another oil rub. Well, I really didn't want to get into troubleshooting today. But I at least put my spark plug tester on plug number 1 and we'll see if we're getting spark. And since nobody's up besides me right now, and to check and see if I'm getting spark, I'm going to go and crank that. You know what, I bet I can probably turn that starter from this side, but I'll just go inside and stomp on it and then watch the video. Stand by. Okay. Engine's on. Half choke. Obviously it didn't start. Now I just gotta see if I can see some spark on that review of this video. Stand by. So it looks to me like I'm not getting any spark. I don't know if you guys saw it, or I didn't see anything sparking on that tester right there. So I guess the next thing to do is I don't know, pull the cap, check the coil. I don't know where to go next. I guess I could put the tester on the main wire coming from the distributor, or going from the coil to the distributor, and see if we're getting spark there. But now it just comes down to, is it a bad coil? Are the points bad? Condenser? Who knows? I should just change them all. But can't do that today. I guess I could. I could run up to the auto parts store. They probably have them. Ben Napa has it. We just got an O'Reilly too, so somebody's got it. How far do I want to chase it on a cold Saturday morning? That is the question. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I pulled the distributor cap off and figured maybe something would jump out at me. Maybe the points are worn? I don't know. Can you tell? Let me see if I can get a little closer. Get my finger down there. Pull that open. I think there's supposed to be a lot more where my finger is, and it's all worn out. So that might be part of the problem. So it might be time to replace the points. Trying to remember how to do them. I'm sure if I look at my old video, I know how to do it. I've done it before. Yeah, set the gap and all that. Not something I want to do on a Saturday. I really want to go to a car show. What to do, what to do. I might as well at least go inside and eat breakfast and finish my coffee. Get the dogs out of their costumes because they were ready to go. And we'll go from there. I'll keep you posted. I forgot to mention, yeah, my brain's starting to work again. The rotor looks a little worn. I don't know if it's working or not. Or the distributor. No, the rotor. That's the rotor. So I'm going to go online. Points rotor. Might as well get a cap. Replace everything. See if it'll start up again. Something to do today. Guess I'm not going to a car show. Thanks for watching.